Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Aminur. Today we will see complete CRUD operation in Django REST Framework. So let's get started. Initially you can see in the left hand side I have created a virtual environment with the command uvvenv. Okay, and I have also created a project that is my project, that is the name of my project. And within my project there are two one is my app, that is my app. The app name is my app and is the project name. Okay, now within the project name you can see under the settings.py. okay, here I have installed the REST framework and the app I have registered in under installed apps. Okay, and in the URLs, this is the URLs. Haven't created any separate app URL. I have created it globally. Okay, and now in the my app, in the models.py, I have created a simple model with two fields, name and age. Name is of char field, is of type char field, and age is of type integer field. And I have registered it in the admin.py file, which you can see here. And I have also created one serializers.py. What is serializers.py file? This is all about converting from JSON data to Python objects and vice versa. So for this purpose I have created a serializers.py file, which is very important in REST framework. And then in the views.py, as you can see here, this part, what it is doing is, if just a second, I will show the URLs also simultaneously. You can see this home path. What it will do, we will come and explain here. Okay, if some user hit this URL, what it will do, it will go to view home view. And the home view, you can see it will take only get request. That's why I have done this part. Initially students contains all the records present in the student model, and then we will serialize it so that it gets converted from Python objects or a model instance, whatever you can call it, or the entire query set. We are converting it into JSON data. So that's why what we are doing, we are using serializer here, and then we are returning a response and the status code of 200. Okay, we will see everything using Postman. We will test the APIs, no issue. And then what happens if the user hits this path. If the user hits this path, it will come to separate view. In this separate view, it will again take only get request. Okay, now here it will get one ID. Why? Because here I have used a dynamic URL. Okay, int ID. It's a dynamic URL. It will get the ID. It will search for the student. If it gets the ID, what it will do, it will again it will convert it into the JSON object, and then we will directly send the response. Okay, we can set the status also here, like status dot what's happening here. Status dot say 200. Okay, now this part is done. Now if the user hit this route, it will come to create. It will come to create view. So where is the create view? Here is the create view, this part. So it will take only the post request. Okay, now it will, what it is doing, this part is doing is, it is taking the JSON response and it will convert it into the Python objects. Okay, now it will check whether the data is valid or not. If it is valid, it will save the data to the database, and it will send the response of success message, and it will send the data created successfully. Otherwise, if there is any error, it will show it will return the errors. Okay, now what if we want to complete update a data? Then what we have to do is this part. For put, it will only take the put part, and its URL is here, which you can see is here. This is the URL. Okay, this is for the full update. I have given a wrong name here, so it will be full update, and this full will be partial. I have given a wrong name initially, so that's why. First it will try to get the student ID. Once it gets the student ID, if it does not get this student ID, it will come to accept part, and it will return the message that invalid ID. Otherwise what it will do is it will update, it will create a convert the JSON data to Python object, and then what it will do is it will check whether it is valid or not, and if it is valid it will save the data, and then after saving the data it will send this response. Otherwise if there is any error it will show this error. Okay, now if we want to do any partial update, not full update, if we want to do any partial update, then we have to use this patch, and its URL is here, which you can see, which is here. Okay, let's see. I've done one mistake. I think I've done one mistake here. I've just changed the name. Full update is here. Okay, full update is here. User full, if student slash full slash IDs, if it is given full update, full update, full put. Okay, 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 okay. When there is any partial update is there, partial update, so it will come to this part. Okay, okay, there is no more issue. I've seen all the part. Now if it's for the patch, it's again same, but it will, one extra thing is there, it is this partial equals to true, because we are not sending the entire data, that's why. Okay, and for delete it is very easy. It will first try to get the ID. If the ID is not found, it will send the invalid user ID. If ID found, it will directly delete and send the response that deleted successfully. Now I will show you using Postman. Hello friends, now we will test the APIs which we have created in the DRF using Postman. So firstly we will see what are the data are there. We will get the data, and it is using normal student route. Okay, now let's see. If I send the request, we can see all that these are the data are there. One with ID 1, 2, 4 and 6. Okay, now if I want to see the 6 ID data, is it working? Yeah, it's working perfectly. You can see here. Now we want to create a new record. Okay, now we want to create a new record. Okay, now we will send a JSON data. Okay, JSON data. The name would be, say, anything. The name can be Zap. Okay, now we will send the post request here. We will send this data created successfully. Now let's see the data, whether it is actually got created or not. Let's see it. You have to set the get request here. Yeah, you can see that ID 7 Z age 32, it has been created. Okay, now what we will do is we will update Z age from 32 to 22. Let's do it. We will do partial update, so patch. Okay, and then I will do update slash ID would be 7. Okay, now we won't give the name. Okay, we will set the age to 22 and we will send the request. Let's see what happens. It's telling 201, status code is 201 created. and its age is now 7. Let's see let's see 7 data now. Let's see 7 data now. Where is the mistake I have done? I have done one mistake, I think, here. Send, oh sorry, it's not a patch, it's a get request. That's why I'm getting this error. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, now we will do full update. We will change age from 22 to 20 and name from Zat to Ibrar. Okay, let's do it. We'll give put request here and we will update. So we will do full update, so full slash update. Okay, and we will set the age to this and name to say Ibrar. Okay, and let's send the request. It's updated, as you can see here. Okay, now we will delete 7. Okay, so the URL was this, and let's send the delete request and click the send button. It's deleted successfully. Now let's see whether it's correct or not. Okay, let's see whether it's correct or not. 7 is not that, ID 7 is not there, 6 is the last ID. So complete CRUD operation is completed here. Thanks for watching.